In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a photo radar ticket online. To get started, open your browser and go to the May-Hulike website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct platform, since this is where you'll check and settle your violation online. When you're inside the platform, look at the top menu and click on Pay My Fine. This will take you to the section designed specifically for online fine payments. On the next page, continue by selecting the option to pay your violation through authorized channels. This is an important step because it leads you into the official payment flow. After that, you'll need to select your payment method, choose the option that works best for you, and once you've made your selection, click Proceed to Payment. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to make sure you have your vehicle details ready since you'll need to enter them in the next steps. Now key in your plate number carefully. Make sure the format matches your vehicle registration details exactly, since even a small typo can affect the search results. Next, enter your MV file number in the appropriate field. Double-check both entries before continuing so you can avoid delays or failed searches. Once everything is entered correctly, click Check, Pay My Fine. The site will then present a section labeled Before You Proceed. Read this information carefully. It may include reminders, requirements, or important conditions related to checking and paying your violation. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid confusion later in the process. After reviewing that section, agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the required checkbox or confirmation option. Once that's done, click Check for Violations. The system will search the records connected to the vehicle information you entered. If there is a photo radar violation associated with your details, it will appear on the results page. Review the information shown on screen carefully so you can confirm that the violation matches your vehicle and the amount due is clear. Finally, proceed to payment. From there, complete the transaction using the payment method you selected earlier. As a helpful tip, once your payment is successful, keep a copy of the confirmation or receipt for your records. It's always a good idea to save a screenshot or download any proof of payment in case you need it later. And that's how to pay a photo radar ticket online.